Look at us. Just two boys kicking it in the great outside. Yes, sir. Oh, check it out. There's even birds. Look, Barry. Look at the beautiful bird. I'm so glad we shared this moment together. All right, what else we got? Oh, look, a handsome snake. Yeah, you go, nature. Oh, wow, look at that. Neat. Oh, look at this. It's me. Wait, really?
You didn't think you'd get away with it, did you?
Is this really...
There will be no escape for you this time, usurper.
Is this really what we're doing?
For today you pay for your sins, and I reclaim the life you stole.
I don't understand what's happening.
For decades I have prepared for my revenge.
What the hell are you talking about?
Every possibility accounted for, every contingency in place.
How are you me if I'm me?
Every escape route blocked for you. Yeah! The snake just bit me!
Oh yeah, I forgot about the snake.
Shit, is that bad? Does that look bad? Does that look poisonous? I mean, venomous? Does it look venomous?
I don't know.
How is it you can tell again? It's something to do with the patterns on its back, right? I think the rule goes, patterns on back, poison snake, yes?
Yeah, I really don't know anything about snakes.
Crap, it got away! The venom's kicking in. I can't seem to remember my birthday. And my mouth kind of tastes like paint.
Oh yeah, what color paint?
Champion Cobalt, I guess.